Oh, hello. Today is November 4th, 2021, and we're thrilled to have Norm Winski back with us again. He's going to give us some dates we should all pay attention to, and Norm, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Jeff. Last time I was on, I think it was October 15th, but we tried to do it then. We had technical difficulties, but you were kind enough to read my notes. If anybody would like the results from those forecasts, please contact me. I'll give you go over it, give you a free class. Okay? And there we go. Now we're going to look ahead what's coming up. So tonight is the 4th. And tonight we have a new moon. And if you've seen me before, you know the moons are pretty good at calling turns of the markets. Anytime we have a new moon, full moon, we round up the usual suspects, which are financials, grains, and precious metals. And because it's in Scorpio tonight, we'll also be looking at cocoa, hogs, and T-bonds. Then we also have tonight Saturn to the U.S. chart, Neptune to the U.S. chart, and that has to do, in addition to the usual U.S. stocks, T-bonds, and U.S. dollars for the U.S. chart, also indicated oil. And oil is an interesting candidate now because it's been pulling down now for several days. I think it's down about $5 or $6 now since the high of earlier in the week. So that's the kind of thing we're looking for when you get a market at some sort of extreme. The stock market, which we'll be talking about, that also has gotten to an extreme now. I think we had an update today, fifth straight update for the S&P. I think by the time you get to 5, you're looking at about a 70% probability that you're going to reverse by the next day. And the market seldom goes past 7 consecutive days in one direction. I think there's only been 3 days. The biggest streak I know of all time is 11. I think that's only happened like 3 times in the last 30 or 40 years, you know. So anyway, there we go. And then this weekend, that'll be tomorrow night, we have Pluto to the U.S. Sun for, again, U.S. stocks, T-bonds, and dollar. And here's a second one, same thing. And so that's pretty much it. You're looking for these markets, must be at some extreme. I'm going to pull up the prices now. And we'll take a quick look at the prices just to see if we see some market moving. I'll take a picture of that so we can blow it up. There we go. And I'll make it bigger, and then you can see it better. And there we go. Okay, see, we had the Dow down. That sort of blemishes the picture a little bit. But the S&P, you can see, is up almost 20 today. And that's 5 days in a row for the S&P. And then your currencies were down, and the dollar was up, so possible reversal there tonight for the moon, not later than tomorrow, within a day. And let's see, your bonds have been rallying, and so they might be making a high. Gold had a big update today, might be making a high, and so forth. So look for the markets that are moving, and there's a good chance that they're indicated, as I indicated before, that they might be candidates for a reversal here in the next 1 to 2 days. All right, everybody can get a hold of me right here we go. If you're looking for somebody with some experience, I think I qualify. I've been doing this professionally for 45 years. I started out in Chicago on the CBOE in 1975. And right out of college, and I survived there for 12 years on the floor, trading my own money, risking my money, and I did okay. And I know advanced technical analysis. You want to learn Gann, astrology, fractals, all kinds of advanced theories. I reduce it all to grade school level so anybody can understand it. And here's how you get a hold of me. I'm in beautiful, sunny Naples, Florida. And call me in the U.S. here at 239-594-3939. My email is nwinski at embark, that's a Q, embark with a Q, mail.com. And you can call me on Skype at nwinski_1. Looking forward to hearing from your folks right away so I can help them. Everybody have a great day and a great weekend coming up.
Norm, that's terrific as always. The only comment I have is there was one January, way back in the 70s, probably before 75, but I'm not certain, where the market was up the first 13 trading days of the year. And if memory serves me right, because I was doing this back then, that's the record. So
Okay.
if you want to go back and check, I can be wrong, but that's what I remember.
I keep
I
Anyway.
keep records like that.
Well, take a look. It's the first 13
I-
days of the year. And if I'm wrong, you can call me on it because I don't mind being wrong on this. Anyway,
Okay.
Norm, thanks ever so much. That's wonderful. I guess tonight and tomorrow night are important times for us to watch. And thanks for the information. We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
All right, thanks a lot, Jeff.